What is up, everybody? Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to achievement hunting in midnight. Today we're going to be doing kitchen nightmare. All you need for this is just to walk over to one of your nightmare prey hunt spots, go to the world quest spot, and bring yourself some plant proteins and go ahead and start ripping some cooking. Whatever recipe works, but as long as you cook 100 things, then you are all good. I did skip towards the end of this clip too, just so we can see me actually getting the achievement. As you can see, it's tracked there on the right. You will need to contend with a couple things while you're doing this. You will get this little red screen here, which will effectively kill you after 18 seconds if you don't actually do anything about it. So you'll just have to run over here, kill a mob real quick, and then you can go ahead and keep on cooking. You will also have to kick a mob that does a spawn, but both of those things are pretty easy. We'll just craft a few more things here, and we will get our achievement. And there we go. We'll get Kitchen Nightmare here, and yeah, we'll do it in the prey area. Got a bunch of food under my belt now, and that's how to do it. Leave a like if you want to see more, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.